Wow, super alive because of all the performance nga atong nakita or natanaw karong gabi una.
I'm too stunned to speak, Paday. Grabe ang performers. Wako nag-gemma-gemma.
Super speechless, no? So these are, ladies and gentlemen, aside from the rest of the performance nga nanata karong gabi una, of course, we're going to acknowledge and give the certificate to all of our outstanding part of LGBTQ plus community.
Mga bigati na nisip.
Of course.
Okay. The Republic of the Philippines, Province of Southern Leyte, awards and recognition, Outstanding LGBTQ plus 2024 in Health and Medical Field, presented to Dr. Linvitz Quillote. In recognition of your exemplary contributions and unwavering dedication to the LGBTQ plus community